What was the topic we were discussing in the last lecture?
Warehousing.
Section 68.
Warehousing.
Section 68, not 69.
69 to 73A is homework.
Okay. So 69, this is removal of goods for export. Is this title correct?
Clearance of goods.
Clearance.
That is why I intentionally wrote that. This is not a removal. Removal is only under section 67. Right? So this is clearance of goods for exports. So this is clearance. Of goods for export. No lengthy procedure, very simple thing. What is required is that the importer or the owner has already executed a bond in favor of customs. Right? What for that bond is? What is the purpose of bond?
Duty liability.
Depositing the goods in the warehouse.
What for bond is executed? What is the undertaking in the bond?
Responsibilities.
He will pay
Indemnified.
and the charge.
Duty.
Everything.
Triple time of duty.
No. That is the amount of the bond. My question is why the bond is executed. What is the purpose of bond?
So it is a surety bond.
Surety.
He is binding.
First thing for the bond is
Binding.
I will comply with all the provisions of the Act, rules, regulations, notifications, circular, etc. That is the first thing. I think वो शायद अपने bond वाले provisions नहीं पढ़े. Conditions of the bond for warehousing. Please read it. Today I have circulated the largest material on warehousing. This is running in more than 80 pages. Actual chapter of warehousing is only 3 pages. I've added so much of information in that. All the rules, all regulations, relevant FAQs in customs manual, everything I have added in that. Right? So the purpose of bond is number 1, compliance. Number 2, to pay the duty, interest, penalties, if any. Number 3, to pay other dues. So that is a personal liability being taken by the person, right? And when that everything becomes payable, when the duty becomes payable,
At the time of
the warehouse,
At the time of clearance.
On removal of goods.
nothing is payable on removal.
Duty.
Section 67 में कोई duty pay करना है? That is removal.
Removal of goods from home consumption in the sense we are moving.
That is not called removal. That is called clearance. Clearance. So
To watch full video, join online batch weekdays 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Call Tail Institute.